whole tent smells like smoke from the fire. Well, because I was trying to dry some of the things that I have by the campfire, but it was pretty smoky anyway. So guys, just so you know how stealthy we were, I'm going to walk around the campsite. From this side, I'm around, I don't know, maybe 8 meters away. My tent is literally behind that pine, no, not pine. I don't know how it's called, well, Christmas tree, overgrown Christmas tree. From the other side, it looks the same way as well. I literally had to call my friends just to find it when I was, I don't know, maybe 10 meters away, because I just literally couldn't see it, if it's our campsite or not. This is how you should leave your bonfire. Literally no trace left. Say moist. Moist! Moisture! Ah! I died. Moisture overload. So this river crossing that we did just a couple seconds ago was a bit tough. Not because of the current or of the wind or of the weight of the backpacks, but it's just the rocks were so sharp that it literally hurt walking on them. Sadly, that's all of us. That's all of Skye for us this time, because everyone got really wet. And well, personally for me, I think we could still power through, but it seems that everyone is a bit kind of, you know, morale is down in that sense. So we will be heading back to Inverness, sadly. It was not a pleasant choice, but unfortunately very much needed one. Each of us had only very little dry clothes left, and knowing what the weather was going to be for the next couple days in Isle of Skye, it didn't boost our confidence in our immune systems to keep us from catching some serious cold, especially since I was just a couple days out of one. I sure hope our room in Inverness will be warm and dry, but before that we had actually quite a lot of road to cover, although luckily for me it was a blast to drive. Since someone decided to go for a run, Daniels and I followed, since we all wanted to stretch our legs after sitting for a couple hours in a damn car. But that someone actually had a surprise for us. We haven't seen anything like this in UK until now. Thanks, Ida. While Dinus was trying out drone and all of its features, well, thanks to him now I know how to use object tracking, Ida and I were enjoying an amazing evening on a rooftop. Well, of course, where else you would do it, right? Also, it was the perfect time for a photo shoot, you know, golden hour. So, this one was the best one from that day. But now, finally, warm and dry, we need to do the last stretch of road to the east and reach Inverness. Hey everyone, so we finally got to Inverness. Now, actually got a really lovely room. The second floor on the outskirts of Inverness. That's, well, apparently could house 5 people, but it's only, well, 3 of us. So that means that we have plenty of space to dry everything up. So I'm not sure if we will be exploring Inverness today because we have so much stuff to dry, but we will see. and now I'm bringing literally last pieces that are damp and needs drying. So tonight is all about drying and drying and drying one more time. Oh yeah, and also charging things, because well, our battery's not completely empty, but well, they are getting there.